Hi, welcome back to my channel, my dear lovely viewers. And this will be a very beneficial video to you all, especially those who have turned on notification and subscribe to my channel, because it will be dropping for you in your notification. I hope others they don't see this late. So this is for Blum transaction, where you get to the task we need to do for us to get Docs airdrop from Blum as well. So for those who used Binance as I advised, Binance has already paid. They've sent every token to the wallet, and at the same time with the reward as promised, 10,000 and 20,000 for the early 500,000 wallet. So here it's for this transaction of make a ton transaction. I know a lot of people have been having issues using this because they don't have ton in their wallets, and probably they could not afford it, or one way or the other, whatever it is. I'll be showing you how to use test token instead without spending a dime. It's free. It has to be free. So here, don't forget to follow the subscribe to the channel once again and turn on notification. So here I'll be showing you what you need to do. So let's get started, guys. So the first thing we need to do is you need a test token account, testnet account. So on getting a testnet account, for you to get a testnet account, the first thing you need to do on your mainnet wallet, go to your mainnet wallet, which is this is the mainnet wallet I used for this. You need to go to settings, then scroll down. You see where you're seeing this Stonekeeper sign here. Click multiple times. It will show you this option. Then make sure you turn on this dev mode. It will be off. So once you come here, you turn it on. So once you turn it on, copy, go back, then go to backup, then click on show recovery phrase. I won't be showing you that because it's the key to my wallet, and it means once you see it, you can have access to my wallet. So I won't be showing you that. So you now click show recovery phrase. Once you click on show recovery phrase, you copy. There was an option to copy everything. You copy the 24 words. Once you copy it, then you go back. Then you click on your wallet. You go to add wallets. Then you scroll down. You see testnet account. Click on testnet account. Once you click on testnet account, you paste. Just click on that paste option you're seeing here. This paste. Click on it. It will paste the 24 words you copy. Then you see option to continue. Then it will create a test wallet just like mine, which is this Blum test. I just named it Blum. You can name it anything. It must not be Blum test. So you can name it anything. So once you're done with this, then you'll be seeing zero in your wallet. You'll not be seeing this $39 you're seeing. So let me show you how to get ton into the wallet. So now let's go to Telegram, guys. So once you get to Telegram, this is the handle you need to check for you to be able to claim test token. This test giver ton bot, just click on it. Once you search, you now use this command. It might not pop up because I've used it a lot of times. So okay, it said you've already made a request, please repeat after 27 minutes. So that's the issue. I have to wait because I've used it before. But what will now happen when you get here is that it will pop up this captcha. So make sure you open the image so that you can see the full alphanumeric that will be displayed there. So once you see it, you can see as this one 8C3099, which is 8 capital letter C 3099. So once you click on enter, it will confirm that yes, this person is human. Then it will ask you to paste your address. Then the address will be this address. This is your testnet wallet address. Just click this address written below the amount, or you just click on receive. Then you click on copy. Any option will give you the same wallet address. So once you do that, you go here, you paste your wallet address and send. I don't need to send because I'm not using the command. So once you send, within a few minutes, the test token will drop in your wallet. But for some wallets, it might take some time, especially when there are a lot of people using the bot. So if you are having issue with that, I have like 6 ton in my wallet, as you can see. Yeah, and I would be exhausting all this ton for the first set of people that will be dropping their wallet in my comment section. Once you drop your wallet there, I will fund you immediately. Once you drop wallet, till I exhaust all this stone I have in my wallet. So it will be more of a first come first serve. So that will be why it is very good for you to always turn on notifications, so that you will always see my video as early as possible immediately I drop them. So once you're done, once you have the test token in your wallet, the next thing we need to do is just to go and run the transaction. And once you run the transaction, poop, that's all. But let's go. let's go back to Blum wallet. The first thing, just pay attention please, you need to watch this video till the end for you to actually understand what will make everything work. So once we go to Blum now, we need to open Blum. Once you open Blum, we'll go to the task. No, firstly I want you to go to your wallet. This wallet, I know it will be connected. I would like you to disconnect the wallet, then I would like you to connect wallet. Now connect it to that testnet wallet. Once you connect to testnet wallet, you can see it is the testnet wallet that is active. Connect it to the testnet wallet, use authenticate. If it's thumbprint you use, or it's password, or it's pin, whichever one you use, you can do that. Then make sure you select the correct Telegram back where your Blum account is. So you can see I've selected it. Then I'll go back to task. Then when I go back to task, I'll click on the task for the dog airdrop. Then I'll click make a tone transaction. Then I'll click on make a tone transaction rather. So you can see I'm using a test token. This funds you're seeing in the wallet is not real, it's just a test token. So I'll just do this. You draw the arrow from left to right, then it will pop up authentication for you to use your fingerprint. Then you still use the same Telegram account. I use iMe, it works as well. So once you do that, that will be all you need to do. Within a few minutes, you wait for the project to confirm the transaction, and once they confirm the transaction, you'll be able to claim. And once you claim, when it's time for airdrop, we will definitely be able to claim our airdrop. And as I have said, if you don't have test token in your wallet, please don't hesitate to drop comments in the comment section for me to be able to send you some tone testnet. So, and again, after you're done with this transaction, then I will advise, after doing the transaction, you go back so that you would not forget, because if you forget, there will be an issue. So you need to go back to your wallet. You need to disconnect this wallet. When you disconnect the wallet, then you will now go back and connect to your main wallet, which is this. So you need to go back to this wallet. Then this is the main wallet I use for mine. That's the mainnet wallet, the wallet where you don't have funds in it, which you had to switch because you needed to make a transaction with test token. So after switching here, then you go back to this place. Hold on. Then once it comes, you go back. You can just check the task if it's done first. Oh, sorry, that's not the task. This is the task. So it's not done. They are still confirming the transaction. Just ignore. Then go back to your wallet. Click this, disconnect. Once you disconnect, then you click on connect. Then you connect to your main wallet now. Then you click connect to main tone wallet now. That's your mainnet wallet. So once you connect, you click on the Telegram once again. It will now connect to your original wallet. Then you just hold on for them to confirm this transaction. Anytime they confirm it, it's sometimes, we all know Blum can take some time. So once it's done, after it's done for a while, you just see claim. Then once you claim, that's all you need to do. I believe and I hope this video helps in making everything easy for everyone. As you can see, you don't need to spend a dime for you to run this. Please don't forget to click on that subscribe button, and also don't forget to turn on notifications so that you can always receive notification once I drop new videos. Thank you very much, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.